Hello, Humphrey Go-Kart here again. It's time for you to meet the cats. Now, I'm kind of afraid of cats, but cats, they're kind of afraid of me too. So, let's test this out. Are cats afraid of me more than I'm afraid of them? Dog, you always have to be in the camera. These dogs are camera hogs. Just like the last one, they always gotta be in the camera. Look at him. Look at him over there. Camera hog. Alright, back to the cats. His name is Reno. Hi, Reno. How are you today? Meow. 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 Do I sound like a cat? Maybe that way he'll like me more. Hey Reno, how's it going? Do you like me, Reno? I'm kinda afraid. He might bite me. I have to watch out. Hey Reno, you like me? What do you think? Reno Beano. Reno Beano. Maybe I'll just lay right here by him. Will you be my friend? Reno? Will you be my friend? Now boys and girls, I think he's my friend. Aw, baby kitty. He's my friend. I was afraid of cats. Now I'm not so afraid. He's kinda nice. Aw, Reno, Reno. So, theory is that cats are not afraid of me, I don't think. So therefore, I should not be afraid of cats. Lesson learned. I give you a bath. Will you give me a bath? Reno, Reno. I think he's gonna go sleep. Boy, cats have it good. All they do is sleep all day. I go sleep too. I would go to sleep, but I can't close my eyes. So I'll just lay here like this.